Your windows are an essential part of your home's structure and aesthetics. They influence your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and security. When it's time to replace old or damaged windows, opting for professional window replacement services in Clearwater is the best decision you can make. While DIY window replacement might seem like a cost-effective solution, hiring a professional ensures that the job is done right, with lasting results. Here's why you should choose professional window replacement services for your Clearwater home. Expert installation for better performance. One of the main reasons to hire a professional window replacement service is their expertise in proper installation. Installing windows might seem like a simple task, but it requires precision and knowledge to ensure the window fits perfectly, seals correctly, and functions as it should. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, leaks, and inefficiencies, which will affect the overall comfort of your home and your energy bills. Professional installers are skilled in handling different types of windows, from double-hung and casement to sliding and bay windows. They know how to take accurate measurements, handle the frames, and ensure that the installation is done according to manufacturer guidelines. This level of precision results in windows that perform optimally, providing energy savings and reducing the risk of future issues like air or water infiltration. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Living in Clearwater, where the summers are hot and the winters can bring cold fronts, energy efficiency is crucial to maintaining a comfortable home and reducing energy bills. Old, drafty windows or windows with broken seals can let heat in during the summer and let it escape during the winter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This leads to higher energy consumption and increased utility costs. Professional window replacement services offer high-performance windows with energy-efficient features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills. These features help regulate your home's temperature, preventing air from escaping or entering. By reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems, energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your energy bills, saving you money over time. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows are designed to block UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading due to sun exposure. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. Windows are one of the first things people notice when they look at your home, making them a key element in boosting curb appeal. Outdated, cracked, or discolored windows can detract from your home's exterior, lowering its overall aesthetic appeal. New windows, however, can dramatically enhance the look of your home, making it more modern, stylish, and inviting. Professional window replacement services offer a wide variety of window styles and designs, allowing you to select the perfect windows to match your home's architecture. Whether you prefer traditional wood frames, low-maintenance vinyl, or energy-efficient fiberglass, a professional can help you choose the best material and style that complements your home's overall design. New, high-quality windows not only improve your home's curb appeal but can also increase its market value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, prospective buyers will appreciate the upgrades and energy-saving features of your windows, making your home more attractive on the market. Improved security and safety. Your windows provide an important line of defense against intruders. Old, worn-out windows with damaged frames or faulty locks can be an easy target for burglars. Replacing your windows with professionally installed, high-security models adds an extra layer of protection to your home. Modern windows come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, shatter-resistant glass, and secure framing, making them much harder to break into. Professional window installers can ensure that your new windows are fitted with the most secure options available, providing peace of mind that your home is safe from potential threats. In addition to improving security, professionally installed windows can also prevent accidents by ensuring that they open and close smoothly, without the risk of getting stuck or falling out. This is especially important for homes with young children. Long-term durability and reliability. Window replacement is a significant investment, and you want to make sure that your new windows last for many years to come. Professional installation ensures that your windows are built to last and perform reliably over time. Experienced window installers use high-quality materials and products that are designed to withstand the elements. Whether it's the intense Florida heat or the occasional tropical storm, professionally installed windows are built to endure. They also come with manufacturer warranties, giving you added peace of mind that your windows are covered in case of any defects. Additionally, professional window installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed and insulated, which can help extend their lifespan. A properly installed window is less likely to suffer from issues like condensation, warping, or failure of seals, saving you the cost and hassle of future repairs. Time-saving and stress-free experience. Replacing windows can be a time-consuming and complex task, especially if you don't have the right tools or experience. Professional window installers handle every aspect of the job, from measuring and ordering the correct windows to removing old windows and installing the new ones. This saves you time and eliminates the stress of having to figure out the installation process on your own. Furthermore, professionals come prepared with all the necessary tools and equipment, ensuring that the installation is done quickly and efficiently. With their help, you can rest assured that the job will be completed on time and with minimal disruption to your daily life. Proper disposal and cleanup. After a window replacement project, there's typically a lot of debris to clean up, including old window frames, glass, and packaging materials. Professional window replacement services not only handle the installation but also take care of the cleanup, ensuring that your home remains neat and tidy. Additionally, experienced installers dispose of the old windows and materials responsibly, following local regulations and ensuring that no harmful materials are left behind. This saves you the trouble of dealing with the disposal process yourself. Conclusion. Choosing professional window replacement services in Clearwater offers numerous benefits, from expert installation and enhanced energy efficiency to increased curb appeal and improved security. A professionally installed window ensures better performance, long-term durability, and cost savings, all while saving you time and stress. Whether you're upgrading your windows for better insulation, enhanced aesthetics, or increased home value, professional window replacement services deliver results that DIY projects simply can't match. Invest in your home's future by choosing the experts to handle your window replacement needs and enjoy the many advantages for years to come.